Banerjee. I love my Indian festivals, be it festival of light, of colors, of brightness, of joyfulness and love. So let's celebrate the joyfulness through a lovely recipe, Malpua. So let's start making Malpua. We need chashni or sugar syrup. Sugar in a pan, 3/4 cup of water, a bit of cardamom powder to flavor it, and let the sugar melt and a sugar syrup be made. Thick consistency for immersing the Malpua. I'll prepare the batter of the Malpua. Milk powder, powder sugar, maida or flour, suji or rava or semolina. Just give it a good mix. Baking powder, grated khoya or mawa to add the richness in the Malpua. The consistency of the batter should be of pouring and more like a pancake dosa batter. So this is perfect. The ghee is heating up and make into small malpuas. So these should be golden brown. Then I will take them out and dip them in the chashni or sugar syrup which I prepared before. Mawa to be sprinkled on top, slivers of pista and slivers of almonds. So garam malpua ready for you. Hope this recipe brings joy, brightness and color to your life. Wishing all of you a very happy Holi. If you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.